Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I'll teach you how to make an easy meal for the hunger at the end of the night and something with the mozzarella cheese, and you'll make it with easy and suitable things in the home. Now you can continue the video to see how we'll make it after the intro break. Now I will show you the ingredients to make this easy meal. Here I have sliced salmon, and also I have mozzarella cheese, butter, garlic and salt. Now I will take the garlic and I will add it on the butter, and the salt also I will add the salt, and I will start to make them like this with the spoon. Then we will see what we will make. Here I have a tray to add the salmon on it. I will take here a slice of the salmon and I will add some of the butter with the garlic and salt, then some of the mozzarella cheese. Now I will make all the tray and I will come back. And here I finished the tray. I will enter it in the oven, and the oven must be worked from up and down and on the high degree. I will open the oven when I start to make the sliced salmon, and when I finish them I will enter it and the oven will be hot. And here after I take them from the oven, you can see the mozzarella cheese is dissolving and it's very tasty. Everyone will like it, so don't forget to try it, like my video and subscribe to my channel, share and write your comment. Now bye, see you in the next video.